to your apps and you find, what apps is that under? The Google? Oh, you have a languages folder. Leave it to my husband to have a languages folder. And is this specifically for Japanese? Or does it know? How did you know you needed Japanese?
Set Japanese.
Oh, you set it.
To English.
Okay. So you got your phone.
Click the camera.
You click the camera. Okay, you're out of my frame. All right, here. All right, here we go. So let's see. So here's our Japanese. And I'm going to put this over the top of it.
Lift it up.
So it can put, oh, and it changes. How to decorate. Ooh. How to make a story. How to tailor and decorate tapestry, which is tapestry. Oh, but then it went to tapestries. Ooh, it changes.
You're chopping off half the word, that's why.
Oh. How to make and decorate tapestries. Tapestry. Sometimes it has it, sometimes it doesn't have it. All right, and so then let's go over here. Let's go over to this part. Oh, now let's see. I got to get you both in here. All right, let's look at that a little bit. That's an easy one. Scandinavian animals. And this is really tricky. This two Santa Claus and his friends. And then here it explains how to do the stitches. But do you see how well this translates? It translates quite well. Let's go into the heavy text. Let's start there. Purchase Olympus embroidery kit. Oh, I like this. Before you start stabbing. Sorry, guys. There. Before you start stabbing, please read this recipe completely. See, isn't that cool? It really does a good job of translating. All right, now let's flip, because this is something I have been actually a little curious about. Exactly what am I supposed to do on these? Now, the next thing you're going to find, the next one I'm going to do is the bear. So let's see what it says. So I was supposed to fill his pom-pom with French nuts, with French knots. Gotta flatten this down for you. Chain stitch around his hat. French knots for his eyes. Satin stitch for his nose. Straight stitch on his little mouth. And see, they don't have me do anything on his present, where I already have. Let's see about the horse. I've been working at the horse, too. Outline stitch in yellow. Straight stitch. Let's see what this says. In gold. French knots and the little beads. Anyway, so it's as simple as that. Just aim and point. Now, one of the things that I got into trouble with, and it's not really trouble. I did not do a seam allowance when I sewed my, I'm going to shut this off. All right. I'm done with that. Here, let's put. So when I did this, and honestly, I would, if I'd even looked at the instructions, I'm a big one for not looking at instructions. But on the diagrams, it told me, oh, I'm reading my instructions for the first time. Note to self, Tina doesn't read instructions. They tell you to use English paper piecing to, yeah, I think they do. I'm going to translate this. I'll get back to you. But they tell you to leave a seam allowance around each of these ornaments, and I did not. I took it right up to the line where you were supposed to take it 1/4 of an inch in from the line. And it does work much easier when you do that. So I've learned as I went along, but I'm perfectly happy with my outcome and chugging right along. So I should show you. In fact, I will show you one today. I'll show you today's embroidery just because there's nothing new. Nothing new in it at all, except this one little stitch. And I will, I'll show you this one tomorrow, I think. But I'm going to flip here. So the bear, I'm working on the bear right now. And I'm still not 100% happy with his present. French knots for his toes. Yep, French knots for his toes. I did a straight stitch around him. I did an outline stitch around his foot pad. Straight stitch around his mouth. French knots for nose and eyes. And then I did satin stitch hat. And then I took the gold and I outline stitched around the ribbon. This, I did a woven cross hatch. And it's just a very awkward shaped present. I wish it was a little bit easier to work with. So I may, in the end, just pull it out and not put anything around that present just because it's so difficult. Or outline it. Actually, I think I will. I'm going to take this out and outline it. But I will show you how to do this crosshatch because it is good for a regularly shaped item. But anyway, that's the progress. I started working on the horse here. I'll show you that one tomorrow as well. Oh, let's get rid of the TV. So I'll also, since this has happened, show you why I'm not eating wheat. We decided to be very risky with our lives today and call out for pizza. And I had that pizza about 40 minutes ago. Do you see what's happening right here? Yeah. I don't think I'm supposed to be eating either the wheat that's in the pizza or something else that's in the pizza. But something in my dinner tonight is making my face break out. Good times. Good times. That's why it's better to just toe the line and not eat what you're not supposed to. Anyway, I still hope you're having a great Advent. This is a kick in, and notice I've taken off my glasses again because I've got a light shining in my face. Still hope you're having a great Advent. I'm going to upload this quick tonight because it's getting kind of late. I was running around packing orders today, and I had a couple of customers today, and figured out this embroidery and did some more dyeing. I have a whole lot of purple in my hands now. Nobody has commented. What color should I color? What color should I dye next? I haven't done yellow. I haven't done orange. I haven't done a light. I could do a lime green as well. I haven't done any of the lime greens yet. I haven't done proper pink. I've done like a rosy pink. Yeah, those are the colors I haven't done yet. I also haven't done gray or black or browns either, which I probably should do some neutrals. Anyway, that's it for me tonight. See you tomorrow. And again, like I say every night now, like, ring the bell, share, and leave me a comment. I want somebody to talk to. Bye.